good boy.
Kisses, I know.
So cute, look.
So many kisses. So many kisses.
Oh, so very,
She's very energetic.
So hyper, I know. Too hyper.
Oy,
Too much energy. And even you already swim a lot too.
100% energy.
Yeah.
Nakakobra.
Kamilo every day.
That's crazy though.
Oh. Ganun, si John gani. Oh, behave.
Cute naman si Jo. Nice, nag-behave this Jo ba?
He's finally calming a little bit.
Lucky,
He finally calmed down a little bit. Yeah, very finally.
Maybe he's tired.
I hope so. I know. Yeah. That's the only time he's calm when he's tired. Yeah.
The battery is very low.
See, now this one's okay now. Now she's not barking anymore.
Casey got tired.
Yeah.
Behave. Behave.
So cute.
Behave.
Oh, behave.
Behave. Good boy.
Sorry about all the laway. Oh my God. Sorry. So much.
No. Stop na.
See,
Mama,
laway.
stop na.
The lawa is worth it when it comes from cutie
Yeah,
dog.
I know. So much laways.
Very clingy.
Yeah, clingy, yeah.
Yeah, very
So
clingy.
clingy, I know. I hate that if I ever break his heart, he won't get over it.
Oh, very cutesy.
He loves you.
She's really very good in dogs.
Yeah, dog lover. You're a dog lover.
Yeah.